Hi everyone, welcome to my new podcast episode. I am Julie, your favorite host. Do you want access to a secured roof repair service for your commercial property? Contact Armor Commercial Roofing to get a quality commercial roof repair solution. Their highly trained and experienced roofing specialist delivers long-lasting repair service. They are a licensed company that provides warranty options for all roofing services. Armor Commercial Roofing also specialized in roofing services like restoration, leak detection and repair, inspections, claims assistance, etc. Get personalized roofing solutions according to your roofing requirement and budget. For a free estimate, contact them at 517-617-6953 or browse www.armorcommercialroofing.com for more info. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. I will be right back with other topics. So, stay tuned.